How's it going, folks? We're here in Colorado Rockies, and this place on our way up from Aspen to the Independence Pass. This is called the Grottos. We're going to go through it. Made like these caves and ice caves. It's going to be awesome. Ace and Gus are excited. They're getting ahead. Also, got my rod. Yes, the river flows through here. It's going to be awesome. Do a little fishing, do a little exploring. Ice caves and the Cascades. River access is down that way. After we see these ice caves, I'm gonna put the rod together, do a little fishing. Beautiful woods right here.
That's right there where you were. It's real pretty in the sun.
I'm in the middle, so hopefully we're at the ice caves. We climb down. Little adventures climbing down these rocks right here. But this is cool.
This is all hot water.
Yep. Ah, yes. Oh, it's slick. Magnificent. We're ready to fish now. All right, folks. We made it to a spot. Gonna do a little fly fishing. I saw a small fish. I have no clue what to tie on up here in the mountains. I've been seeing mosquitoes fly around. I'm gonna look through my fly box. Which one y'all think? Think something like one of these over here. One of these small ones. Dry flies. That one looks good. Or one of these up here. I'm excited. This is beautiful. Up here in the Colorado Rockies. Just look at the mountains. All right, here we go. Woo, she's moving fast. Oh, I got one looking at it. One looked at it. Saw one looking at it. Didn't want to bite it. Don't know what the deal was. Must not have liked it. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yep. Got him. Oh, come off. That was a nice hit. Nice strike. Fought him for a little bit. He did hit it. Look. Oh, there's all kind of trout right here, man. It's like ever cast. Keep it in the air a little bit. Back and forth. Dry my fly off. Yep. Nice one, dude. Come up and got it. Beautiful. Looks like a rainbow. Amazing. Yes. That is awesome. Right there. Perfect hook set. Show you off to the camera. Look at that trout. Oh, there he goes. Nice release. He's back. He's good. Got hung up in the tree, so I got to go up there and get it. Can't let this fly get away. I've caught one already on.
Let me get sappy hands. Mama?
Colorado Springs, baby.
Stay away from the waterfall.
Woo.
Oh yeah. You are stuck. Nothing to be had for that. Man. Daddy. That's a big bear. I hope some tourist comes by and thinks you're a bear. A black bear. Yeah.
That is a big bear.
Job.
Got it.
Yeah.
Save my fly, baby.
Can't make millions of dollars without saving a $3 fly.
I got it. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Adventure. Got a little sap on my hands.
Oh, that's okay.
I'm gonna show you just in case he falls in or something. I'm not really supposed to say that, but I said it anyway. There's Gus. We all found a ton of sparkling golden stuff.
Let me see one of your rocks.
Rocks.
Wash the sap off.
What?
Oh,
I
here we
will.
go.
Here's a piece of granite.
I got it.
It's kind of like,
Yeah.
maybe it'll have
Right.
some properties of porous. Colorful.
I just dropped all mine.
There it is.
Okay.
We're ready to fish now.
Yeah.
Try it again. Maybe a little shorter cast. Right there. Yes. Yep. Oh, that was so good. There's one. Yes. Beautiful. Nice little guy. That was awesome. That is awesome. Come here, little guy. Come here, little guy. Put you back in the water. Yes. Look at that. This is so fun. I don't care if it is little ones. Catching these little guys. Out here in the Colorado Rockies. Rainbow trout. There you go. We're on the move. Hiking through the Rockies. I'm just in awe of the beauty out here. It's absolutely amazing. I know the camera doesn't do it justice, but we're jumping rocks, hiking through these mountains. I'm looking for my children. That's my call. That's how we do it. That's the call to the children. They can hear it from miles away. Might be hard to hear them next to this Cascades, these waterfalls, but every 50 yards, give it a little hoot. Yep. Good one. Good one. Beautiful. This one's got some color to it. That was awesome, dude. I mean, awesome. Look at that. Man, look at that. Wait a second. Don't come off. Don't come off. Don't come off. Dude. Beautiful trout. Yes. So amazing. Look at this guy. Let me get him in. Look at those colors. Beautiful. Beautiful brook. I mean, just let him go. There it goes. Wow, at the beauty. I found this little guy. I want y'all to look. It's got a little olive to it. Look at that fly. A little blue to it. And that trout just chomped it. I don't know if you can see all them flies flying around, but there's a hatch. Look, there was another one. God, I just had it dragging right here. Unbelievable. This is crazy. I'm having a blast, dude. This is so much fun. Wading in a creek. So I got this dry fly on. Just caught one. Saturated. So gonna use this dry shake. Put your fly in there. Shake it. Yes. I think that's how you do it. I think this is a rainbow. Yep. Little rainbow. I don't know yet. Maybe not. It's a brook. Another little brook. Another little brook trout. Look at that little guy. That's so amazing. These beautiful little fish. Little bitty flies and hook. Look at that. Get him back in. Where you at? Nope. Better. There was one. Yep. Got him. Oh, he's coming to me. He's coming to me. Another little brook. Oh man. How awesome. How awesome is that? Another little brook trout. Popped it. This thing is loaded with them. Come here, guy. Beautiful. There it goes, between my legs. It's awesome. This is cool. All right, guys and gals, that wraps it up. What an amazing trip. I mean, it was awesome. So pretty. Just amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a blast. We'll see you next time. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. We gone.